It's time for me to clean my Breville Barista Express because the clean descale light is flashing. So that means that I need to get one of those little tablets and do the cleaning cycle. These are the ones I use, the clean espresso. And they come in this little pop, this pop top thing. I've used them a few times. I'm happy with the product. What you need to do is, I have the 2-cup, whatever you call this thing in here, and I need to switch it to the 1 cup. Take this one here, the 1 cup. An easy way to get this off, and I could be wrong and watch me struggle, you use the bottom of the other one, you pop it off. You snap that one in place. Then you're gonna use that little rubber disc that they gave you. You're gonna pop that one into place here. Stick that in there. You put your tablet in the center. Let's put this tray back in here. And then you're going to lock your portafilter in place. We're going to turn the machine off. And then I'm gonna hold the 1 and the 2 cups at the same time while I hold power for about 10 seconds till it turns on, and that will start the clean cycle. And then I just let it run. It takes about 5 minutes. And once you take your portafilter off, if you still have a little bit of the tablet left, you're supposed to do the cycle again. So you'll just see it go through different cycles. It may or may not come out of here. The last couple of times I've done this, I've not had any liquid come out in here. See what happens here. So it looks like it's done. It just beeped twice, but I did not see any liquid come out of here. So let's take the portafilter out and see what it looks like. Looks like it's dissolved except for one little chunk there. So what do? You know what? I think I'm gonna rinse this off and just run one more quick little cycle. And I think I'll just rinse it off with this. I don't think this is necessary, but this is just what I'm going to do. So I'll turn that off, hold those 2 down, and hold power, and do this all over again. So it just beeped twice again for my 2nd round of cleaning. And this is what the group head looks like, or the portafilter looks like. I'm going to call it good. Put a double shot through there, a double shot of nothing. Let's see what happens here. Just kind of rinse that out. Okay, so that's kind of what that one looks like. It's a little bit off-colored. Go again. Now that's looking a whole lot better. Okay, that gave me a whole lot more than the last one. But I would consider that a win. The machine is clean. It's not telling me to descale it yet. So I'm not going to worry about that right now, but I am going to change the filter, which will be another video, and that is this little guy that goes back here in the water tanks.